Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to today's video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button. When you do that, you actually get notified whenever I have a new video out. I do weekly videos, sometimes two, sometimes one, depends. But it's all about making you a better home cook or a baker. So today's recipe is really simple. 3 ingredients, peanut butter, sugar and egg. And I'm showing you how to make peanut butter cookies. I'm using the all new peanut butter from BlueBand. You have to watch the video to the end to see how simple these ads are and how they end up. I'll actually break into one, bite into one, and you'll see how, get an idea of how easy it is to make them and have it with a glass of milk. Let's get started. So like I said, this is a very simple cookie recipe, 3 ingredients. I'm using the BlueBand peanut butter. We need half a cup, which is actually 1 cup, not half a cup. Half a cup is sugar and 1 egg, 3 ingredients. So I'm going to measure the 1 cup. So that's 1 cup, empty it. This is a fun recipe you can do with your kids. It can help you make the recipe. I'll show you, especially the part that they'll come in handy. To this we add the sugar and the egg. Mix. Now, no baking powder, nothing. So that all, especially for the rising of the cake, of the cookie. And remember, whenever you're making cookies, we actually even don't use a lot of baking powder. But the egg will actually raise this cookie. It's the one that will make it have a slight raise. Just make sure that the egg is fully incorporated. So take a spatula and see the mixture becomes slightly dry, and then this one now we start forming it into balls, small balls. So try and scoop the same size of the mixture to make it into a ball. The idea is to, whenever you're making equal sized balls, is that because you want the cookies to bake evenly, not some that are too big than the others, which means that especially the bigger one, if it takes longer time, the smaller one will cook more and probably burn or become extra hard. Try and make them equal. And this is the part where I was saying you can use your kids. Just make them into balls, the same way they would work with plasticine. So you have your tray all ready with 12 balls, and you need a fork, and this is how you do it. You press it like that and like that. You form that shape. You're going to form that shape, and at the same time what you're doing is making it a little bit flat. So that's it. They apply the same pressure you would for all of them. They should not be too thick, and into the oven they will go at 180 degrees, and this should take about 10 minutes to bake. So the cookies are ready. One thing you need to note whenever you're making any cookies, how you know it's cooked is on the edges, it will start becoming darker. And when you turn them, that's when when you see the edges becoming darker, that's when you know it's ready. And on the bottom should be brown or slightly dark brown. So these are good. And then the other thing when you're baking cookies is they are usually very fragile when they are coming hot from the oven. So first of all, it's a very good idea to cool them. That's why I put them on a wire rack. And then when they are ready, you put them on a plate. And when you cut into one, it's like a cookie, like any other that you know. It's soft, it has some softness to it, but as it cools down completely, it will become more hard, like a cookie would. And these are still slightly warm. And they're really lovely. The crunchiness I'm getting from the sugar, the real nice peanut flavor. The one thing about the BlueBand peanut butter has some sweetness to it. It's not on the salty side, so this cookie is more on the sweet side, and it's really nice. Actually, I have made another recipe, and I'll put the link on that on the video. Is that I've actually made cookies with flour, but I like this one better. The peanut butter flavor is not too much, it's not overwhelming, and you'll be pleasantly surprised. 3 ingredients, great cookies that you'll enjoy. I hope you've learned something today. Put your comments on the comment section and I'll review them if you have any question, that is, and get back to you. And check out more videos on my channel. So many, I have different types of cooking and baking. Subscribe if you have not, like the video, and even like the channel, and share, spread the word, let others know about the channel. And until next time, goodbye.